Please write down elimination of incorrect answer options. Elimination of incorrect answer options. Elimination of incorrect answer options. How to eliminate incorrect answer options? Elimination of incorrect answer options. Listen carefully, sir. Listen carefully to the, or if I will do few examples, it will be clear to you. Elimination of incorrect answer options. First one, remainder of 5 power 37 divided by 63. Divided by 63. 5, 18, 7, 9. If options are like this, 5 power 37 divided by 63. 5, 18, 7 and 9 is there. See how you should solve. 63 is, write the number as a power of prime basis. 63 is 3 into 3 into 7. 63 is 3 into 3 into 7. Take one prime number and just check it out. Remainder of 5 power 37 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 twos are 6. Negative remainder minus 1. Minus 1 power odd is minus 1. Positive remainder should be 2. Positive remainder should be 2. That means answer when divided by 3, it gives a remainder 2. Answer when divided by 3, it gives a remainder 2. Check which all options are of the form. When divided by 3, it gives a remainder 2. 3 6 are 18. 3 2s are 6 plus 1. 3 3s are 9. So answer for this question is 5. What happens if more than one answer option is of the form 3k plus 2? That is my next slide. 5 power 37 by 63. To get 63, first it should be of the form 3 into 3 into 7. So check with 3. 5 divided by 3. 3 2s are 6 minus 1. Minus 1 power odd is minus 1. Positive remainder is 2. Answer when divided by 3. Answer when divided by 3. It should give a remainder 2. Second question. Second. Remainder 1. I will do as many questions as possible. 53 power 11111 divided by 51. Options are 24, 26, 27 and 13. 24, 27, 26, 27 and 13. 51 is nothing but 3 into 17. 51 is 3 into 17. So this is remainder 1. 53 power 11111 divided by 3. 3 18s are 54. Negative remainder minus 1. Positive remainder 2. Answer when divided by 3, it gives a remainder 2. 24 out. 27 out, 13 out. Yes, you are right, Priya. If there is more than one answer option, which is of the form 3k plus 2, go to the next prime number, that is 7. If there is more than one answer option, which is of the form, right, 3k plus 2, go to the next one. Go to the next one. Yes, Priya, what you have said is right. We can also go for it. Chinese remainder theorem. Once it is done, then it will be extremely clear to you. This is just like an acid test. Acid test. Incorrect elimination of incorrect answer options. Third option. Please write down. Third option. 5 examples if I solve, then we will do. Remainder of, in hurry students go like this. 32 power 32 divided by 9. 32 power 32 divided by 9. See here, 7, 3, 7, 32. Remainder of 32 power 32 divided by 9, which is 7. Another is 3. Another is 8. Another is 6. 9 is nothing but 3 into 3. 3 into 3. Check by using 32 power 32 divided by 3. 3 11s are 33. Minus 1. Minus 1 power even is plus 1, which is of the form 3k plus 1. These are not possible. Not possible. Not possible. Answer for this question is 7. First we are doing only one answer option is matching. First step is only one answer option is matching. Second step is two answer options are matching. Two answer options are matching. Third one is without answer options. 3 methods I will explain so that you will not get a single doubt. 3 methods I will explain. Jashwant, you have asked a very good doubt. I will take, definitely your doubt I will take when I am taking the example without using answer option. First I will do only one answer option is matching. Then I will do two answer options are matching. Two answer options are matching. Then I will do without answer options. Right? Then we will do without. Yes, Arif, I will tell you why we should divide by 3. See, it's simple common sense. If a number is not divisible by 3, how can it be divisible by 9? 9 is a derived number. 9 is not a real entity. 9 is a derived entity. A prime number is a real entity. 2 is a real entity. 3 is a real entity. 6 is a derived number from 2 and 3. 10 is a derived number from 2 and 5. 15 is a derived number from 3 and 5. There are no composite numbers. There are only prime numbers. Composite is derived numbers. Prime is original. Composite is derived. Right? Yes, digital sum can also be used. Hold on, sir. Till I complete the concept. Till I complete the concept. Cherry 1, 2, 3. 32. 3 tens are 30. 2 power 32 will give a remainder 1. Why it will be 3k plus 2, Harshit? You tell me why it will be 3k plus 2. After solving so many problems, how you are saying that it is 3k plus 2? 50 plus problems you have listened to the class. Still you are getting a doubt? Now see here. Allow me to complete the entire topic. Don't disturb the flow. First, after the entire topic is over. Next one. Harshit, for you. 3 tens are 30. 2 power 32 divided by 3. 2 is 3 ones are 3. Negative remainder. Minus 1 power 32 divided by 3, which is 1. Right?